Hello, I'm Carla. I'm a physical education teacher, licensed in dance and master's in education. Also have a couple of degrees in the fitness area. And I've been devoting my life to dance ever since I was 3 years old, when my mother took me to my first ballet class. And since then, I've been taking classes from different styles and different rhythms and in different places. My 3 degrees are from universities in Chile, and I've been teaching dance for about 15 years now, years or so. Uh, the benefits that I've been seeing, not only in me, but also in my students, I have two big ways of, defining themselves. From one thing, you can see a development either in their personality, their way of confronting different situations in life, confronting people, an audience, talking in front of an audience. And in the other way, you can also see the improvements on their physical fitness, like coordination, flexibility, respiratory system, cardiovascular system, their muscle strength. Obviously, as you're practicing a technique or a dance, even if it's not a technique, you are exercising your body, so you are increasing your abilities and your capacities in the physical area. Now, 33 years old after, I'm the founder, director, and head coach of Activate Dance Studio. This is back in Chile, obviously. We have classes of different styles, different rhythms, lots of teachers, hundreds of happy students. So hopefully you like us and you like the way we teach, and you want to continue taking different classes with us through this way. Hi. So we will be seeing you in our next course.